Welcome back, friends. And in Facebook, when you are searching for anybody and you are tapping on profile, you are many times seeing that friend list. So, if anybody is searching your profile in their Facebook, they are also seeing your friend list. If you do not want that nobody can see who are your friend list, then in that case what you need to do, I'm going to tell you one small setting. I will cover it very quickly. If you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the setting, not setting, here we will go to the Facebook, and in Facebook this three lines, then go below and then setting and privacy. In setting and privacy we will tap on this setting. Now we will go below, and here how will people find and contact you. Tap it here. The second option, who can see your friends. Here when you will tap your friends, friend accept. If you want to show your friend list to some selected friends, then you can select from here. And if you do not want to show friend list to anybody, then only me. If you are selecting only me, nobody except you can see your friend list on Facebook. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how you can hide your friend list from anybody in Facebook. That's all. Thank you very much.